Let me thank and congratulate Senator Van Hollen. He holds key assignments in the United States Senate. He serves on the Appropriations Committee. He serves on the Authorizing Committee for Transit Policy in this country. But what makes Senator Van Hollen unique is how he uses those positions to help the people of Maryland. And that couldn't be more clear than why we're here today to deal with transit worker safety. It was his initiative through legislation, his working with members of the Senate and House, got it included in the infrastructure bill, and is now the policy of our nation. Congratulations, Senator Van Hollen, for this achievement. Mayor Scott, I want to join with Senator Van Hollen and all of us to express our deepest condolences on the loss of our firefighters. They're our frontline workers, and we know that they always put themselves at risk. And sometimes we just don't really appreciate the risk factors that they are doing. While we run away from danger, they run to the danger. And we've seen during COVID-19, this pandemic, we've seen that our frontline workers, which includes our transit workers that are out there every day, putting themselves at risk. Yes, they're at risk because of the public health areas, and we know that during COVID-19, and yet they showed up in order to make sure that everyone else could get to where they needed to be, including our healthcare workers. And we say thank you. But we need to say thank you by helping keeping you safe. And the funds that we're talking about, people do things that are dangerous. And transit workers are subjected to that type of conduct. As Senator Van Hollen said, 3 gave their lives, lost their lives in Maryland, in Baltimore in the last about 15 months. So we needed to take action in order to deal with it. Senator Van Hollen mentioned the bipartisan infrastructure package. I want to acknowledge that Congressman Sarbanes played a critical role in his committee assignment and the work that he did in the House of Representatives to put together that infrastructure package. This truly has been Team Maryland working to make this done. And we have provided billions of dollars of help for our roads and our bridges and our transportation infrastructure. But what we're particularly proud is the leadership of President Biden, with the leadership of our delegation. We made sure that there were justice issues dealt with in the infrastructure bill. And yes, the red line should have never been canceled. We wanted to see that done. We kept that alive. Highway communities have been divided, as we know, along the Franklin Mulberry corridor in Baltimore, where the transportation has divided communities rather than help communities. We were able to get money in the infrastructure bill to bring communities back together, funds directly for this. And then Senator Van Hollen's initiative on transit safety issues. This is critically important. But you know what I like about your bill and what we did? We're going to include the transit workers' representatives in developing the plan to keep our transit workers safe. It's not going to be from the bureaucracy down. It's going to be from the workers involved, so that we include the workers in making decisions on how to keep them safe. So I'm just proud to be part of Team Maryland. I'm proud of what we've been able to do. To Councilman Dorsey, thank you for your leadership of the City Council. To our union representatives, thank you for being there always to protect the rights of workers and our families, and to make sure that we do what's right in policies for this critically important service to our community. I'm proud to represent you in the Senate, and again, congratulations to my colleague in getting this done.